Yogi Clan, welcome back to Yogi Cycle Service. We are back here in the shop and we are with Bertha today. And today we're gonna have a little fun in the shop. I had ordered something, you know, when you go to a website and they say, oh yeah, free shipping when you spend over $100. Whatever it was I was buying was like 80 bucks. I thought, ugh, 10 bucks shipping. Pay $10 shipping, or just add something else on there and have no shipping. So what did I buy? I bought the Custom Dynamics Vent LED Kit. Yes, this is LEDs that goes in your vent here. And they will light up white. When you turn on your turn signals, the white will go off, and then the left will flash orange, or the right will flash orange, depending upon your turn signals. Now this kit was $40. I think it might have come from J&P Cycles. I'm not for sure, but it was $40. Now Custom Dynamics does make it where you replace this whole vent here and the lights are built in. So you pop one vent out and you pop the other vent in versus this kind which just zip ties around into your vent here. Hold it in place. Difference is those are $140. This is $40. Hey, you know the deal. If you've been around Yogi Cycle Service a minute, you know I got a lot of mouths to feed here. So $40 versus $140, 40, 144. Yeah, you see what I got. Hey, this is how we do it. So we're gonna take this apart. All we need to do is pull these 3 screws out of the front. There are 4 on the back of the Mount Rushmore bike, so you can take the bat wing off and we'll get this installed.
I thought you were out here yelling at her. I'm like, what did she do now?
No. But it's like Grand Central coming through out here while I'm trying to make a video. All right, so we're gonna pull these 3 bolts out. They are a T27 Torx. 1. Now for another quick tip, because I like giving out quick tips. For instance, the Ziploc bags for holding your junk in your saddlebag. Quick little tip, really helpful. Another one, cigar boxes. For when taking apart bolts, taking things out so you don't lose them. Real easy place to keep them, in a cigar box. If you're not a smoker, not a problem. A lot of cigar shops that you go to will sell the cardboard ones for like $2 and the wood ones like this for like $3, just so they can get rid of their cigar boxes. So you can go buy a cigar shop and you can find some really sweet ones, really cool ones. There's your tip for the day. 2. And our third one's actually our Rick Rack mount for the GoPro, which we can just unscrew this, take that off. 2 on this side. Longer bolt in the top, shorter bolt in the bottom. Now on the top, you got the 2 shorts on the outside and the long on the inside. All T27 Torx. We have 1 set of instructions. We have some chrome zip ties, some black zip ties, and the 2 lights with quick connect mounts. Attach the LED tube to the grill with a chrome tie wrap. You're supposed to zip tie it to. Oh, I got an idea. How do we do this? Zip tie it right there. Will it be seen? Let's see if it works. Okay, they're on. All right, maybe they don't work as turn signals. Maybe they just light up white. Maybe that's why you pay $140 for the other ones. How can we get them in there and staying in there is the question. But I don't see how to zip tie these. There's no holes. There's nothing to zip tie it to. Unless I put a couple pilot holes through here. That might be what we have to do, Yogi Clan. There should be an area that gets no water, so. All right, let's put the bat wing on. Put our Rick Rack GoPro mount back on. There we go. Let's turn it on and see what it looks like. What do you think? Does it look good? Does it look like crap? Leave in the comments. No, don't do that. Not bad. I kind of like it. For 40 bucks, hey, it gives your bike a little extra light. Now, granted, when I turn on the turn signals, they're on now. Nope, they're not lit up. So that's the difference between the $40 kit and the $140 kit. The $140 kit, this side, when you turn on this right light, it will turn off the white and it'll flash orange. And then vice versa. These aren't built in for that. This is just running lights only. So as you can see, as I turn on my right and left turn signals or turn on my hazards, they don't change. But that's okay. I'm okay with that. I wasn't expecting that to happen. So I'm just pleasantly surprised. Overall, took me about a half hour to do it. Not sure that putting little holes in the dash was the answer, but I don't think that's going to leak. And I honestly don't know where else you would have attached these lights to. So that's about all I know. All right, Yogi Clan. So without putting the pilot holes in there, I don't know how else you would have zip tied to it. I think the pilot holes are probably a necessary evil. You just don't need a very big bit, just big enough to get that zip tie through. Put 4 holes in, zip tie it to it, call it a day. For 40 bucks, not a bad product. I really want to get the LEDs that go down around the radiators down on the lowers. Those are the ones I want to get next. Hope you enjoyed this little tip. 40 bucks, give your bike a little bit extra light. All right, y'all, have an awesome day. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.